Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file, right? So here you can see that I have all the conversation and how I can save this as a PDF file, right? For example, you can see that this is the whatever the chats I had with ChatGPT, how I can do it, right? So you for to do that you have to just go to your your profile icon, which is on the bottom left side corner. Then you have to just go to your settings here, right? Once you go to the settings, you will find two options. Go to the data control, and here you will get an option of export data. But wait, this is not going to be in PDF. I will show you how to do it in a PDF. Just click on export, and here whatever the requirements, it says that the link will be expired in 24 hours and it will send to your email address. I will just click on confirm, right? And in few seconds it will just redirect in my email address, right? So here this is, and I got a new email, and I will get an option to download data export. I'll just click on download here, right? And here it's downloading, right? So let me just open it, and once I open it, you can see these are my conversations, right? For example, this is conversation and I just want to open it up. For example, let's say I will just go to the properties, or you can just select this and press in the keyboard Control plus P. It will take you to print, but it will not until and unless you just extract it, right? For example, I will just extract it right now, right? Because it in a zip format, now it's good, right? Now I can just print this. So if I just select this and press Control plus P, or even though I just have an option to print this, for example, edit in notepad, and you can see, but it is not in a given format where you can understand each and everything, right? So guys, if you're confused, then this is the main thing where all your chats are saved, not in a conversation, so don't get confused, right? So here you have to just open this. It will get open in a HTML format. For example, let me just open it in my one of the browser here, and you can see all the conversation is here, right? And for example, then if you're wondering that how you're going to convert this conversation in PDF, right? To do that, you have to just right click and you have to go to the print, right? You can also do Control plus P over your keyboard, and here you will get an option, right, that is save as a PDF, right? Once I click on it, save as a PDF, it will get saved as a PDF. It will take a just few seconds, right? It's saving, and this is how you can just save your conversation, ChatGPT conversation, as a PDF. And yeah, so here I will just save it. For example, let me just go to mine, and this is my PDF, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and like this video.